video is becoming the go-to medium for communication online. And this is why I'm here today, and I'm lucky to be able to be in front of you guys. It's important that we also realize what videos we can do to build our brand, what sort of videos we can do. There's so many things we can do, right? From all of these videos that we have here is your own DNA, your own identity as a brand. So it's very important that we also think about all of the things in this group, not just shoot, right? So we have to be able to think about what needs to be made. That's something also that includes what our audience wants to hear or wants to watch. Planning is practically 80% of it because right now technology is not an issue. We have to plan the content. We have to know what we want to say in the videos, right? So delineate, strategize, shoot, and then promote.